Hi, I'm Ethan. I love muzzleloading. Today we're on the range with the CVA Accura LRV2, some Blackhorn 209, and some copper THOR Bullets here. Our target today are these jars of supposedly salmonella contaminated peanut butter. I could not bring myself to throw them away, so we're going to see what happens in slow motion when we shoot them with a muzzleloader. To get started here, I'm shooting some of the 300 grain THORs. These have the blue ballistic tip on here. I'd like to thank THOR for sending me these. Just want to be clear and upfront about that. They sent me these to shoot and have some fun with, so thank you, THOR. I'll get them out here so you can take a look at them. So you can see this is an all copper bullet. It's no sabot or anything. This is measured to my bore. So before these were sent to me, I measured the size of my bore with a mic or a micrometer so that I knew that I had the right number, and then I can order for my specific muzzleloader. These are a .501 diameter. You can get away with the straight 5.0s, but I've found that the 5.01s are a little bit tighter, a little bit more accurate. For my charge, I'm shooting some Blackhorn 209 here. I've pre-measured my charged by weight. So I'm shooting 80 grains of Blackhorn 209 by weight. By volume, that's like 112 to 115 depending on the lot that you're using, but I like to measure this stuff by weight. It gives me a little bit more of an accurate charge. For primers here, I'm using some Federal Premium shot shell primers. So my chronograph there is reading 1770. This is really purely for fun. This isn't saying anything about really anything. It's just something I wanted to do. When I took the shot and it popped off, I could see on top of my scope downrange just wrappers flying up. So here's what we have. So I set these milk jugs behind here. I wanted to see if it would penetrate through all of the peanut butter and go into the jugs to see if we could capture it. But it doesn't look like there's any luck there. Oh geez. So our first jug got split in two, half on the left and half on the right here. I think that's the lid. Our second jug or jar here really got split in two and then forced back into the third one. The third and fourth ones were kind of half empty, but so they just blew the tops off, which is interesting. Maybe there was enough force that it just went out the top instead of through the whole thing. Now we don't have an entry or an exit into the third or fourth jar here, the fourth jar. So let me see if I can get into, yeah, it looks like we split into this one. And there's a THOR bullet remnant maybe still in here, unless it came out the top too. But you can see there, this is the side that it hit here on the left. You can see all that peanut butter pushed up in a concussive wave. It looks like we do have a split here, so it may have gotten out. Maybe I can kind of scoop through this some and see. But we did not have enough force to penetrate all the jugs, but we did have enough force to knock and totally push one full water jug off. So that's kind of fun. That's kind of interesting. I'm hoping that the GoPro can report back to us here. No sign of the bullet so far, but as I've been looking, I'm going to show you how far this peanut butter went. So we have kind of a splatter here and a splatter here, and all the way over there is where we started. So I mean, 10 or 15 feet, maybe 20, but we have kind of some splatters all along the ground here in line with where those peanut butter jars were. I mean, just look at this second jug. I mean, it's just totally ripped through, you know, absolute carnage if you're on the hunt for peanut butter. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of fun here with the muzzleloaders. It's not all, you know, data crunching and serious, you know, prepping for the hunt. You can have fun with them too. You know, I'm not going to probably do this very much in the future the way peanut butter is right now, but you know, a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed it too. I'm Ethan. I love muzzleloading. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more about this or anything else related to muzzleloading, please visit ilovemuzzleloading.com. We'll catch you next time.